Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so Samsung launched a lot of accessories here as well. So right here we have the new Galaxy Watch Active versus the Galaxy Watch from last year. So you see them side by side. The new one is a lot smaller in comparison. So you have a much smaller watch face. Now this is the bigger Galaxy Watch out of the two, but this is even smaller than the smaller Galaxy Watch, just to give you an idea of the size difference. Now one big difference between the two is on this one you did have the dial ability, so you can kind of go through everything on the dial. On this one you just have the regular swipe, which of course you did have here as well, but that is just one difference. To notate, you no longer have the dial to turn around. I think it's really attractive though, a lot basically sleeker I would say, and if you want a style without the bezel, I think this is what you're looking for. I think this is actually aimed personally at the Apple Watch competition. Looks a lot better, and it just, circular is always going to be better for a watch than the square one. I think a lot of Apple Watch users will switch to this one because of the different style. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section down below. Which style do you like better? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.